This is it, the last rear-wheel drive Audi R8 ever made. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition isn't just another supercar. It's a celebration of everything that made the R8 legendary. From its lightweight engineering to its raw, unfiltered power, every element of this car is designed with one goal in mind: giving the driver the purest, most thrilling driving experience possible. Unlike the standard R8, which often relies on all-wheel drive to make its power manageable, this final edition strips it down to rear-wheel drive, putting the full responsibility of performance in the hands of the driver. It's a car that demands attention, respect, and skill, and it rewards every moment behind the wheel with adrenaline, precision, and sheer driving joy. Every curve, every line, and every component tells a story of Audi's commitment to performance and craftsmanship. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition is not just a car, it's the ultimate expression of the R8's racing DNA. A final tribute to an era of naturally aspirated V10 engines, and a car that will be remembered for generations to come. If you're ready to feel the roar of a V10 engine and experience the thrill of a true supercar, then this is the moment. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition is here, and it's everything enthusiasts could ever dream of. The Audi R8 has been more than just a supercar since its debut in 2006. It's been a symbol of German engineering meeting exotic performance. From the very first model, the R8 combined precision, reliability, and cutting-edge technology with the kind of raw, head-turning style usually reserved for Italian exotics. Over the years, the R8 has evolved, taking cues from Audi's motorsport programs, especially their experience in Le Mans racing. Every generation of the R8 has pushed boundaries, offering a supercar that is both thrilling on the track and surprisingly usable on the road. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition represents the culmination of this journey. It's the swan song of the naturally aspirated V10 RARs, a final opportunity to experience the car in its purest, most focused form. This is not a compromise. It's the ultimate celebration of the R8's racing DNA, honoring a legacy built on speed, precision, and the unforgettable sound of a screaming V10 engine. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, this car is a reminder of why the R8 became an icon. A perfect blend of performance, style, and engineering excellence that few supercars can match. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition isn't just rare, it's ultra exclusive. Audi produced only a handful of these cars worldwide, making every single example a true collector's gem. This limited production ensures that owning one isn't just about having a supercar. It's about holding a piece of automotive history. Each car is meticulously crafted, with attention to detail that goes far beyond standard production models. From the lightweight carbon fiber components to the precision-tuned suspension, every aspect of the final edition is optimized for performance and driving pleasure. The exclusivity doesn't just make it valuable, it makes it special. Driving the R8 GT RWD Final Edition means joining a very small, select group of enthusiasts who understand what it truly means to experience a pure supercar. It's a car designed not for mass appeal, but for those who crave connection, precision, and adrenaline on every drive. Owning one isn't just about speed or style. It's about being part of the last chapter of a legendary lineage, a car that will be remembered long after the keys are returned to the ignition. The first thing you notice about the R8 GT RWD Final Edition is its presence. It doesn't just sit on the road, it commands it. Every line, every curve, every angle is designed for one purpose: performance. The front end features an aggressive splitter and widened air intakes, giving the car a purposeful, race-inspired stance. Signature Audi LED headlights cut through the darkness with precision, while the carbon fiber elements not only reduce weight, but give the car a truly exotic look. From the side, the low-slung profile and aerodynamic contours emphasize speed even when standing still. The lightweight forged wheels and large brakes hint at the performance waiting beneath the skin. At the rear, the carbon fiber diffuser, muscular haunches, and subtle spoiler are not just styling cues. They're functional components designed to maximize downforce and stability at high speeds. And of course, the unmistakable V10 exhaust roar with a sound that's as thrilling as the car looks. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition isn't just beautiful, it's purposeful. Every exterior detail tells the story of a car built for enthusiasts who crave both aesthetics and performance in perfect harmony. Step inside the R8 GT RWD Final Edition, and you're immediately reminded that this is a driver's car through and through. The cabin is purposeful, minimalistic, and focused entirely on the experience behind the wheel. High-quality Alcantara covers the seats, steering wheel, and dashboard, providing both comfort and grip during aggressive driving. Carbon fiber trim flows throughout the interior, reducing weight while giving the cabin a distinctly sporty feel. Every surface, every stitch, reflects Audi's commitment to precision and craftsmanship. The cockpit is designed to keep the driver connected to the car. Controls are intuitive and ergonomically placed. Nothing is in your way, and everything is within reach. The digital instrument cluster puts vital information front and center, while the optional navigation and infotainment systems remain secondary to the driving experience. It's a cabin that doesn't distract, it enhances. Every detail, from the seat bolsters to the gear lever, is engineered to make you feel one with the car. In the R8 GT RWD Final Edition, you're not just sitting in a supercar, you're part of it. Under the hood of the R8 GT RWD Final Edition lies the heart of a true supercar, a naturally aspirated 5.2-litre V10 engine, producing an astonishing 570 horsepower. This engine isn't just about numbers, it's about sensation. The roar of the V10 is immediate and intoxicating, rising to a crescendo as you push through the gears. With 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, this car doesn't just accelerate, it launches you into a world of raw performance. Being rear-wheel drive, the power delivery is unfiltered and direct. Every press of the accelerator, every gear change, translates instantly to motion. This isn't a car that masks its speed with electronic aids. It's honest, thrilling, and demanding, rewarding skill and precision behind the wheel. Every component, from the lightweight forged wheels to the performance brakes and finely tuned suspension, works in harmony with the V10 to deliver a driving experience that's exhilarating, precise, and unforgettable. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition is not just an engine, it's the soul of the car. What truly sets the R8 GT RWD Final Edition apart is its rear-wheel drive layout. Unlike the all-wheel drive R8 models, this car gives you complete control over how the power meets the road. It's a pure, unfiltered driving experience that rewards skill, precision, and confidence. Around corners, the car comes alive. You can feel the rear end respond to every input, allowing controlled slides and dynamic oversteer that make every turn exciting. The balance is impeccable. The front remains light and precise, while the rear provides thrilling propulsion that keeps you fully engaged. Throttle control is critical here. Unlike electronically stabilized supercars, the R8 GT RWD doesn't hide your mistakes. Every movement of your foot, every gear shift, and every steering adjustment is amplified, creating a visceral connection between driver and machine. This is a car for enthusiasts who crave involvement. It's not just about speed. It's about feeling every inch of the asphalt, sensing the weight transfer, and mastering the art of rear-wheel drive performance. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition is pure, raw, and unforgettable. Driving the R8 GT RWD Final Edition is nothing short of electrifying. The moment you press the accelerator, the naturally aspirated V10 responds instantly, filling the cabin with a spine-tingling roar. Every gear shift, every corner, every straight stretch becomes an intense, immersive experience. The car feels alive beneath you. You sense the weight of the engine, the grip of the tires, and the precision of the steering, as if the car is an extension of your own body. It demands attention, focus, and respect. But in return, it delivers pure, unfiltered joy. Unlike modern supercars loaded with electronic aids, this R8 trusts the driver. It's not forgiving, but it is rewarding. The rear-wheel drive layout lets you explore controlled slides, feel the nuances of traction, and master every twist and turn. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, accelerating down a straight track, or simply enjoying the roar of the V10 on an open highway, the R8 GT RWD Final Edition turns every drive into a memorable adventure. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a thrill, and a connection to the road that few cars today can match. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition isn't just another supercar. It's a milestone in automotive history. It marks the end of the naturally aspirated V10 era for the R8, closing a chapter that began with the first generation back in 2006. This final edition represents the purest form of the R8, lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and completely driver-focused. It's a celebration of Audi's engineering excellence, combining precision, performance, and racing DNA into a car that will be remembered for decades. For enthusiasts and collectors, it's more than a car. It's a piece of history, a symbol of what made the R8 legendary. Exhilarating performance, striking design, and a connection between driver and machine that is rare in today's world of electronically assisted supercars. The legacy of the R8 GT RWD Final Edition will live on, inspiring future generations of car lovers and reminding everyone why the R8 became an icon. It's a car that doesn't just exist on paper. It leaves an impression that lasts forever. The Audi R8 GT RWD Final Edition is more than just a supercar. It's the ultimate expression of passion, engineering, and performance. It's a car that challenges the driver, excites the senses, and leaves a lasting impression long after the engine is turned off. As the final rear-wheel drive R8, it closes the chapter on an era of naturally aspirated V10 engines, lightweight design, and pure, unfiltered driving joy. Owning or even experiencing this car is a reminder of what makes a supercar truly special. Connection, exhilaration, and a sense of occasion with every drive. This is a car built for enthusiasts who crave authenticity and excitement, and it will forever hold a place in the hearts of collectors and drivers alike. The R8 GT RWD Final Edition isn't just an icon. It's a legend, a celebration, and the perfect farewell to a remarkable era in automotive history. For anyone lucky enough to sit behind the wheel, the message is clear. This is what driving should feel like.